Imagine walking into a cozy kitchen on a cold winter day. The air is filled with the sweet, spicy aroma of cinnamon, instantly warming your soul. Whether sprinkled on holiday cookies or rolled into breakfast buns, cinnamon is a spice that holds a special place in our hearts and in our kitchens. But beyond its culinary appeal, cinnamon has been revered for centuries for its medicinal property. From the ancient temples of Egypt to the bustling spice markets of medieval Europe, this unassuming bark has traveled through time and across cultures, leaving a trail of health benefits in its wake. Today, we're unraveling the story of cinnamon tea, a simple brew with a rich history, remarkable health benefits, and a flavor that's as comforting as it is invigorating. What is cinnamon tea? Cinnamon tea is more than just a flavorful beverage. It's a herbal infusion with roots that stretch back thousands of years. At its simplest, cinnamon tea is made by steeping cinnamon bark in hot water, allowing the rich, earthy flavors to permeate the brew. Cinnamon tree, native to Sri Lanka, produces what is known as Ceylon cinnamon, or true cinnamon, which is prized for its subtle, sweet flavor and delicate aroma. On the other hand, cassia cinnamon, commonly found in Vietnam and other parts of Asia, has a stronger, more robust taste and is often used in everyday cooking. While both types of cinnamon share similar properties, Ceylon cinnamon is considered the gold standard in the spice world. Its rarity and nuanced flavor make it highly sought after, especially in the West. The process of creating cinnamon tea begins with harvesting the bark from the inner layers of the cinnamon tree. As the bark dries, it curls into those familiar quills or sticks that we often see in stores. These sticks can be brewed whole, ground into powder, or even turned into an extract. When infused in hot water, the cinnamon releases a golden hue and a warming, aromatic essence that seeps into every corner of your being. Nutrition information. Cinnamon isn't just a flavor powerhouse, it's also packed with essential nutrients. A single teaspoon of cinnamon powder contains a modest 6 calories, but it's rich in antioxidants like polyphenol, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. This small amount of cinnamon also provides trace amounts of calcium, iron, and potassium, contributing to overall health. While you may not rely on cinnamon as a primary source of nutrients, incorporating it into your diet through cinnamon tea or other foods can provide a gentle, beneficial boost. Health benefits of cinnamon tea. Now let's dive into the myriad health benefits that cinnamon tea offers. This humble brew has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science is starting to catch up with what ancient healers knew all along. 1. Reduces the risk of heart disease. One of the most significant benefits of cinnamon tea is its ability to support heart health. Cinnamon has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while boosting HDL cholesterol, the good kind. This balance is crucial in reducing the risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. By incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're also taking a proactive step toward maintaining a healthy heart. 2. Lowers blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or concerned about blood sugar levels, cinnamon tea can be a game changer. Studies have shown that cinnamon can enhance insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool in managing type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day, reducing the risk of complications. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which are essential in fighting free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause cellular damage, leading to premature aging and chronic diseases. By drinking cinnamon tea, you're giving your body a strong defense against these harmful molecules, promoting longevity and overall well-being, or improves brain function. Want to keep your mind sharp as you age? Cinnamon tea might be the answer. Research has shown that cinnamon can help protect against neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. The active compounds in cinnamon have been found to inhibit the buildup of tau proteins, which can disrupt brain function and lead to cognitive decline. Sipping on cinnamon tea regularly could be a simple yet effective way to support your brain health. 5. Aids in weight loss. Despite its sweet flavor, cinnamon can actually assist in weight loss. The spice has been shown to reduce fat accumulation, particularly around the waistline. However, it's important to remember that cinnamon tea is not a magic bullet. For effective weight loss, it should be combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. But as part of a balanced lifestyle, cinnamon tea can be a helpful ally in your weight management journey. 6. Calms digestive issues. If you suffer from digestive issues like bloating, gas, or constipation, cinnamon tea can offer relief. The spice stimulates digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more effectively and reduce discomfort. For those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or general digestive woes, a warm cup of cinnamon tea can be a soothing remedy that promotes a healthy gut. 7. Anti-inflammatory property. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Fortunately, cinnamon is rich in anti-inflammatory property, particularly in its Ceylon variety. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon tea can help alleviate pain, prevent blood clots, and reduce the risk of long-term health issues. 8. Boosts immune system. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. Cinnamon tea can give your immunity the boost it needs to fend off pathogens and keep illnesses at bay. The spice is known for its antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off everything from the common cold to more serious infections. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea can help you stay healthy and resilient year-round. 9. Lowers risk of cancer. The fight against cancer is ongoing. Cinnamon shows promise as a potential ally in this battle. Studies have indicated that cinnamon may help prevent the growth of cancer cells and reduce the formation of blood vessels in tumors, thereby limiting their spread. While more research is needed, incorporating cinnamon tea into your diet could be a simple way to support your body's natural defenses against cancer. 10. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Cinnamon's active ingredient, cinnamaldehyde, is a powerful antibacterial and antifungal agent. So effective that cinnamon oil is often used in natural remedies to treat infections, particularly in the respiratory tract. Drinking cinnamon tea regularly can help protect your body from harmful bacteria and fungi, improving overall health and even helping to maintain oral hygiene by reducing bad breath and tooth decay. 11. Relieves cold symptoms. When cold and flu season hits, cinnamon tea can be your go-to remedy. Its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties help neutralize pathogens, while the warming effect of the tea can soothe sore throats and clear congested sinuses. Drinking cinnamon tea when you're feeling under the weather can help speed up recovery and get you back on your feet. 12. Eases menstrual pain. Menstrual pain can be debilitating, but cinnamon tea offers a natural remedy. Studies have shown that cinnamon can significantly reduce menstrual cramps and discomfort. By drinking cinnamon tea during your period, you may find relief from the pain and enjoy a more comfortable experience. 13. Enhances skin health. Cinnamon's antioxidant properties extend to your skin, helping to combat the signs of aging and promote a healthy complexion. By improving blood circulation, cinnamon tea can give your skin a natural glow, while its antibacterial properties help fight off acne and other skin issues. For those seeking youthful, radiant skin, cinnamon tea is a delicious way to achieve it. 14. Strengthens hair. Cinnamon's ability to improve blood circulation also benefits your hair. A healthy scalp is essential for strong, shiny hair, and cinnamon can help by stimulating hair follicles and promoting growth. Incorporating cinnamon into your hair care routine, whether through tea or topical treatments, can result in thicker, more vibrant locks. Side effects and caution. While cinnamon tea is generally safe and beneficial, it's important to consume it in moderation. Cassia cinnamon contains a compound called coumarin, which can cause liver damage if consumed in large amounts. Additionally, some people may be allergic to cinnamaldehyde, the active ingredient in cinnamon. If you're taking medication, especially for blood sugar management, consult your healthcare provider before adding cinnamon tea to your routine. Cinnamon tea recipe. Ready to brew your own cup of cinnamon tea? Here's a simple recipe. Grab a cup and add 1 cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Pour 8 ounces of boiling water over the cinnamon. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your taste preference. Remove the cinnamon stick or strain the tea if using ground cinnamon. Add a splash of warm milk or a teaspoon of honey if you like a sweeter, creamier brew. And there you have it, a warm, comforting cup of cinnamon tea that's not only delicious, but also packed with health benefit. Cinnamon tea is more than just a flavorful drink. It's a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science. Whether you're sipping it for its health benefits or simply enjoying its warm, comforting flavor, cinnamon tea is a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. So why not brew a cup today and experience the magic of cinnamon for yourself? Cheers to your health.